welcome again to my channel. Guys, I just want to talk about what happened today. Today I wasn't going to trade or whatsoever, but when I was just busy and looking at my charts on my phone, I saw this amazing structure was taking place, a double top. Some of you know about this. Some of you trade double tops, but when I saw that double top forming, I just knew that price was reversing. Look, how did I really caught, or how did I know that it was a double top? It's simple. I saw the price rejecting and it was creating wicks on a particular price level. And then I never hesitated. I just went all in and then I made my profit. Some of the trades I'm still holding as I'm recording this. I will be going to my computer and then I'll show you how I really caught these trades. Guys, this is so important. I want you guys to understand market structure is always the boss. No matter what strategy you're using, no matter what moving averages you're using, no matter other blocks, ICT other blocks, or imbalance or mitigation blocks or supply and demand, as long as you know your market structure, the violation of higher lows, higher highs, this is just so crazy. It's so crazy that I caught this trade and I was not even aware of it. But like when I just saw my phone, I was doing my analysis and then I checked my phone, I was like, wow, this is a nice trade. You know what? I'm getting in. And guess what? I won. I took a risk, I won. Why are you not taking a risk? Because you're scared. Why are you scared? Because you don't know market structure. It's easy, guys. It's simple. No market structure, no price algorithm, know how price moves. You will see. The sooner you learn that, the better off you living all the indicators and all those strategies people are telling you about. And then you'll be focusing on what price gives you. Price does give hints. And those hints, you need to find them. That's where price will come back. That's where price will make a move, a huge move from the hints that it's giving you. Now, the best time frame to look those hints, obviously it can be your 4 hour, it can be your 1 hour, it can be your 15 minutes. But none of those hints you're gonna see them on a 5 minutes or 1 minute. Unless you know what you're doing, just like me. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm capable of. I'm recording this video to help you understand the market. I'm not boasting to you, but I'm recording this video for you to understand what the market is telling you, so you can see what I'm telling you. You can easily take whatever I'm recording on this video and add it to what you are using already. Let me just give you a free advice. Stop looking for obvious hints on the market. Your brokers know about this. Even the banks know about those simple hints that are out in the plain. What do you think they are doing? What do you think they are doing? If they know about that price will rest on this level, and then it will take off, many traders will be there. Actually, many retail traders or dump traders will be there waiting for price to take off. Yeah, man. This is serious. You need to change your mindset when you come to the market. Think of this as a business, not as a game, because that's why you're going to fail if you're thinking of this as a game. It's a business. It's a serious business, guys. It's a serious business. Without any waste of time, let us go to my charts. Okay, traders, let us look at how I got this trade and how it worked for me. First of all, when I'm trading, or always when I start a trade, this is what I look out for. I usually look for my lows, which is here, and I look out for my highs, which is here. This was a high at some point in time. Understanding that this is a high, meaning that it took this high. This was our previous high. So if this is a high at some point in time and it took the previous high, meaning that this is our new high. While I realized that this is our new high, I wanted to find a retest or where price is relaxing, and then I wanted to maximize my trades on that. But this is where my price retested from this move. This move here, and then after it was done, it broke. So I never got into the trade simply because today it was not my day to trade. Wait for it. I know I said that I made a lot of money today by this massive move I was talking about. So how did I make that money if today I did not want to trade? Wait for it. Yes, wait for it. So I saw this move going there, and then while I realized another thing again when this move was completed, I realized that price is failing to break here. And since price is failing to break here, there's a weak rejection. I saw this, then I saw this, and to my mind, I told myself that I'm going in this trade. To my mind, I said, I'm going into this trade because I saw this nice rejection here. Let me just draw it nicely. This is the rejection I saw, and we can move to M15. I highlighted the rejection, how it took place, and remember that rejection was, just remember this rejection alone, it's this one on my 1 hour. So let me switch back to my 1 hour so I can show you how I really saw and caught this trade. So this is my 1 hour. Price was rallying up after dropping down or testing. It rallied up again after creating a base. Oh, this was a base. It rallied up, and then I saw that price is failing to break here the previous high. I'm not looking where price is coming from, something that is far from what I'm trading today. I wasn't even looking here, to tell you the truth. I just saw that price was failing there to break the previous high. I did not look on this side. I did not know what was happening. And after finding out that price was failing to break my previous high, it's giving me a weak rejection on a 1 hour. I quickly rushed to my 15 minutes to look for other blocks. So, since price was failing to take this previous high, this was the move it was supposed to do. After here, it was supposed to shoot up and it was supposed to move up and take this previous high, but price did not do that. So what really happened, price rejected around this area, this zone, and 62,450. That's a psychological level. Many of you would agree with me. 62,450.00, that's a psychological level. But I did not also look on that psychological level. Remember, I said I was checking on my mobile phone when I saw that this is a double top and I'm going in. No matter what, I'm going in. I went in, and after seeing that this is a double top, I knew that this here is my order block because it took this high. Let me rather write with this screen. It took this high. So this here is my order block, or you can say it's my demand zone if you don't say order block, because yes, definitely this is a demand zone. It took this high, so I knew that this here is my demand zone, and it took the previous high, lower high, not higher high, previous lower high, and then it rallied up, and then it came back to make a new higher low here. This here is a new higher low where price came, and immediately when this rejected up, I was not even interested in that as well. My interest was here. Remember guys, I was not trading. Today was not my trading day. I was not even planning to trade. But when I saw this here, I knew that price here made an error and it tried again. Like what really happened, I looked at this whole structure here, this whole thing here. Some of you might call it a sideways. Yes, it's true. I looked at this whole thing here, and then I saw that price is doing something that is not supposed to do. What did I do here? When it rejected this candle, the 15 candle, it rallied up again and it rejected here, and then it came about to reject. That's why I entered here. Let us move to 1 minute so I can show you where exactly I rejected, and I might as well change the color. Let us put to orange so I can see. I went directly to 1 minute, and I'll come back again to show you something I did not highlight, the structures, the break of structures. So this is my 1 minute. This is where I entered. This is what I saw vividly with my eyes, and I maximized this move. I maneuvered, I entered on this move. This is what I saw vividly with my eyes, and I entered on this move. When price rejected here, I was in. I was in when price rejected here. I was in, guys, and because I'm a scalper, I went out here. Like, this is what happened. This is what transpired. I took this trade, and guys, listen, I do not use stop losses because I'm scalping. I feel like my account can handle to blow or can handle drawdowns. But if you are trading on a small account, I am trading on a small account as well, but experience counts, and it's a matter of, can you refund your account again? So that's why I do not use stop losses, but for the sake of the educational or how I entered my trades, I will put a stop loss there, and that's where you should have put your stop loss as well if you wanted to enter here. So when I got out here on this low, I saw that price was running up, and I quickly looked here, and guess what? I saw my supply again. This here is my supply. I saw my supply, my supplying area. So basically now price was rallying up after dropping, was rallying up to create an order block to take out this low here. Guys, let us make this simple. If we make this simple, we will make money, but if you don't make this simple, we won't make money. So it took out that low, and price rallied up, as I'm saying, to create an order block. Where's my order block? The one that I was looking for was this one, and it was this one, the one I was looking for. Guess what? When price came here and it rejected, I saw that it was a supply zone. My price is rejecting, creating an order block to take that lower high. I entered again, and because I'm a scalper, I'm always on the lookout for opportunities. I stopped here. I took my profits here. You can never be sure of the market. I took my profits here because I was pretty sure that was my order block. But later, after this candle rejected on the imbalance, which my imbalance is here, between these two candles, there was a jump. If you can see, if you can't see, it's okay. Maybe next time you will see. But between these two candles, there was a jump, and that created an imbalance. The price algorithm needed to balance for buyers. This is not a buying power or the bulls have power in the market. It's price doing that. I keep telling you guys, buyers and sellers don't have power in the market. It's price algorithm. So when it retested on that jump, the imbalance, again, I noticed that it was creating an order block to actually take this high, this lower high. I was anticipating to take my profits. So I entered again. I dropped down with the market up to somewhere there. And then when the market decided to rally up, because this is my psychological level, I was out. I never traded again. I was out because what came to my mind I would have taken that trade as well. But what came to my mind, I saw this here. This was a zone, and this zone you can only see it on a 15 minutes time frame. Here on a 1 minute you really can't see it. Let me jump to my 15 minutes so you can see that this was a serious zone, and it was supported by the previous swing high, swing low, which is a lesson that I will introduce on this channel, how I trade and how I take trades about swing high, swing low. So when I saw that there was a zone there, see here, oh sorry, there I saw it was a zone, my bad, excuse me on that one. Here it was a zone, and then why do I say that it was a zone? I taught you guys swing high, swing low, and this was my higher high of the swing here. This here, as you can see, this was my higher high of the swing, and bam, see, higher high exactly there. It's not me, guys, it's price. It's not me, it's price. It's not me, it's price. It took me so long to understand my trading. I have started trading a long time ago. Right now I have about 3 years trading, but I was not profitable. That's the whole truth. The past 3 years I was not profitable. It took me time to understand how price moves, and as you can see, this is my high of the swing. I took this and then bam, see, price had to move back there. So I was not sure if I should continue to buy, because remember again, what really happened here was this supply, this demand zone, not a supply, sorry, this demand zone, of which price failed to break. As you can see on a 15 minutes time frame, price failed to break that zone, that demand zone. And if this zone was taken out, definitely after price maybe was dropping down here, I would be comfortable to take a trade and swing it, not scalp it. But right now, this is what I'm seeing. The high is being taken out, as you can see on the 15 minutes. The previous high that made a double top is being taken out. So after price came about to this psychological level here, I was watching both time frames, my 15 and my 1 minute, and I was again back to my working station. So I was skeptical to move down with the price, because I saw that here we have a supply zone which is stronger. So it might happen that price will just move down and then it will not come back to the supply zone. So sometimes when I trade to swing, not to scalp. But look what I'm seeing right now. Bam, another supply zone, another supply zone, guys. Here price came and then bam,
and then this little fellow here, let me mark that out, this one here. Okay, this little guy there, it's our order block to take this high. See this high there, guys? I hope you really see what I'm telling you about. This fellow there was our order block. Another order block was this one here. This was our order block. Again, price would have come there, and if you draw up to the far where price is dropping to, you would see where price would really reject. You would know where price would really reject. So guys, this move here, I did not see it. I just came back right now to fetch my kid from school. So this one, I did not see it, and I will continue looking for opportunities. But here, with this leg and this leg and this leg, I made a lot of money today because I'm a good trader. I know how to trade. And stop losses, I do not care about those because I do not care if my account blows or not. I will refund again and start afresh. But remember, it's very important to use your risk-reward ratio. I'm not saying that you should not use it. I know very good traders that are not using it, and even the ones that are trading at the institutional banks, I know they are not using it, some of them. So it's just a habit. It's not a bad one, because when I'm opening my trades, I make sure that I manage them while I'm trading. I'm not opening trades and then leave them to trade and then go away. No, I'm staying on my screen. My eyes are glued to what price is doing. You see, guys, I do not have the habit to give price a chance. If I'm seeing that the price is going against me, I close the trade immediately. I don't have to wait and see what price is doing. I don't have that patience. Maybe that's why that makes me a good trader, because when I see price is going against me, I don't have to stay and say, oh, maybe it will come back to this price and then this is just a retest, it will go to the direction. Guys, one good trader I know once said that if a river is flowing to a certain direction and on that river there are rocks, water keeps keeps hitting those rocks. It does not mean that the flow of the water will stop going to that direction, but the flow of the water will continue going to that direction, whether there are rocks or what. Same thing as trading. If price is moving here, it's a double top, then it's supposed to go down there, it will go down there. Definitely sure, it will go down there. This retest here, sorry about that. This retest here, it's our rocks on the river, and then water continues going down. I hope you do catch that, guys, and I hope you do understand that. So as you can see here, I've closed my moving averages. Yes, I do use moving averages. There's nothing wrong using moving averages. It took me a while to understand that, because of a pressure we have been getting from your gurus that using moving averages is wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm doing price action. I know how to use a clean chart, as I've just showed you guys. And these are my moving averages. I use my 50 for my trend. I use my 15 for my entries, but these 8 and 3, I use those for sniper entries. If you understand, if you don't know, you will understand that moving averages can give you sniper entries. They are not slow, it's just that you don't know how to set them up. As I'm saying, guys, I have been doing this for the past 3 years and I have not been profitable because I did not understand price action. Now that I understand price action and the use of indicators, the use of some help, man, it's game on for me. I'm making profits like nobody's business. And again, don't take my word for it. I am a trader and sometimes I do lose. Just like today, I made a lot of money, but I lost a few trades. Why? Because I'm a human being. I make mistakes. I made a mistake and I was punished for it. So guys, this is my analysis. This is my recap. So guys, this is my recap on how I managed to make money on the trades. So let me close again those moving averages so we can actually do the analysis where I think this market will rest. Let us use our 4-hour rather a day because I'm an intraday. So a day is for swing traders and long-term traders. So 4-hour it's still fine. It's within my day trading. So I like what I'm seeing. This is my 4-hour. See the double top that happened. It happened because of this. And I did not look the 4-hour. I just went on the 1-hour and then I went on the 15 and the 1 minute. But if I had knew that the double top was happening because of this, I wouldn't even bother myself to trade. You can see, guys. You can see. It's not me, it's the charts. Price here rested here last month, and this month again it's trying to break above and go up. Support and resistance traders will tell you that price is trying to break the resistance, and probably a lot of traders were trapped today because they thought that price was rejecting again on this resistance. It's going to go down, and again, us as other blocks and supply and demand traders, we were not worried. We knew that price is going up. We definitely knew that this price is rejecting, it's going up. Price is trying to gather strength so it can break here. Guys, once you understand price algorithm, everything for you will be easy. You will use indicators because you want to, not because you are forced to use those. And again, see, this year on March, this is what happened. Price came about here. So for us to understand where price might go, we need to check for an order block, because this, it was because of an order block. Trust me, I know. I have been doing this. I know that this happened because of an order block, and my order block is somewhere here because last year November, price created an order block here. Guys, once you understand this, it will be easy for you. Listen, price created an order block here. Yes, it created an order block and then it came about to retest that order block. It created another order block to take out this high here. this high here, guys, once you understand this, I'm telling you, there's no going back. You will never unsee this. Damn, just making me a weirdo. So this high here was taken out because of the creation of this order block, but the original order block that made this order block is this one. So see why price was, or price had to come back here. I did not do that homework. If I knew that homework, that price would come here, I would have been ready. I would not even bother myself with the double tops I saw here. So guys, where price might be going right now, see, that high was taken out. And what made that high to be taken out? Again, there's an order block. Be careful of these things, guys. Be careful of the order blocks, imbalances, supply and demand. Now price will go up, but there must be an order block somewhere here again to make price reverse. There must be an order block here again to make price reverse. I'll just take this one. You know why I'm taking this one? A lot of you will ask, why am I taking this one? I will tell you right now. I'm taking this one because this one started a trend. Sorry guys, this thing is acting up. I don't know what's wrong with it, but we'll just continue. Okay, anyway, yeah, it started a trend and it took this low out of the game, definitely. And after taking this low here out of the game, price created another lower low here. Stop making me a retail trader. It created another lower low here, and then a dumb money. Not a retail trader. I am a retail trader, but not a dumb money. So definitely another order block was created here. Now we have two order blocks, same direction, same area. If it was you, which one would you take? I'm asking you guys. Pause the video and write on the comments, which one would you take? This, the second one or the first one? I'll tell you. Pause and then I'll tell you. Think about it and write it on the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching this video as well. Yes, again, we're back. So if it was me, definitely I would not take this order block because I know that there's too much liquidity here. What would I do? I would actually rally up, reject, come here, and then go back up and retest my original order block that started the trend, and then come back to this fellow here. No, this one here. This fellow here took out this. This was very hard to be taken. So this fellow here, surely price will come back too. So there's no need for you to rush the price and rush on buying and selling. You just have to understand this on a bigger picture. Don't look this on a small picture or smaller picture. Definitely, this is what I would do. I'm not saying that price will do this, but this is what I would do. And don't forget, we have what we call imbalances. But here the imbalance was, yes, this candle is balanced, and you see this other block I'm talking about, there's an imbalance here. There's an imbalance, definitely. There's an imbalance here. Definitely price will reject here, and then it will come back and retest, and then it will go back up. Why is it still going up? Remember guys, look this on a bigger picture. Why price has to go up? Because there was a demand that was made. There was a demand that was made last year, November, here on the 27th of November last year, 2020. There was a demand that was made that made the price to go up, come back and look for that zone, and then go up again and take these highs. Guys, look this on a bigger picture. These highs, you can swing if you want to swing, but I don't recommend that. You must have money for that. You can swing and have patience as well. So guys, thanks for the analysis of where price might rest, where price might find a base and drop, so that it can give you a chance to re-enter again. If you're a swing trader, but same process, take this process to your 1 hour, and then from your 1 hour go to your 15 if you're looking to make money immediately. From your 15, same process, go to your 1 minute, and then take your trades on a 1 minute. If you don't prefer your 1 minute, you can always take your trades on a 15. It's a matter of preference. It's not a forced, guys. SBT signing out. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for me to create more content and have that energy to create something